Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining us at the e-KLESF 2022. My name is Associate Professor Dr. Goh Kaming from Tunku Abdul Rahman University of Management and Technology, and the MC of the webinar today. Today, we are presenting a webinar titled Making an Interactive Dashboard in 45 Minutes by Dr. Tan Yen Bing. Dr. Tan Yen Bing is a data engineer from Imperium Solution Private Limited, Singapore. She is an expert of data engineering and analytics. Just a little housekeeping before we start. If you have any questions, please type them into the chat box at your Zoom's control panel. We will bring them up during the Q&A section at the end of this webinar. For those UTA students and staff, please sign your attendance in the link posted in the chat box. Without further ado, let us turn the time over to the Dr. Tan Yen Bing. Dr. Tan, pass over to you.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to e-KLESF and my session. Let me share my screen first. So first of all, everyone of you need to get the material. Oops, okay. I think you should be able to see my slide, right? Okay, so please type this address, this URL. Please access this URL to get the material here. Okay, so you just need to type bit.ly/this code. Yeah, I'll give you a few seconds to do it. You can actually access it afterwards as well, because I've prepared some QR code for you to scan also, right? Okay, but why do the purpose giving you this address is because I'll give this is a mini workshop. You will get to do some hands-on using your PC. Okay, so that's why I hope everyone here can access this using your PC instead of just your phone. So I assume everyone here has already access has access to this slide already, so you should be able to see these things. Okay. Okay. This one. Making an interactive dashboard in 45 minutes. Credit to this gentleman, Dr. Richie Yu, Dr. Yung Po. He's supposed to be the speaker for this session, but due to some unexpected circumstances, I replaced him to be the speaker for this. Okay, let's start. So the topic that I'll share here is to make an interactive dashboard, yeah, in a very short time. So now, before we start everything, I have one preparation to that I need you all to do, which is you need to have your Google account. All right, you need to have your Google account. If you don't have one, then maybe for this session, you can just listen to us first. As far as I know, this will be posted on Facebook afterwards, so you can still follow back whatever I'll share here. Okay. If you have a Google account already, then please sign into your Google account in your browser. Okay. Now I have an ice-breaking question for everyone here, especially our participants, if anyone is here. When we talk about chatbot, okay, chatbot, what do you think it is? Have anyone heard about chatbot before? I think so, right? Can you give either some examples, or if you know how to define a chatbot, you can write in the comment section, in the chat session. Okay. For those who are watching from Facebook, also you can comment on Facebook live chat. Data collection, privacy. Any examples? What is a chatbot? Dr. Goh has some interesting ideas. Huh? Yeah, okay, thank you very much. So I assume here it's okay lah. But anyway, today we are not going to share, we are not going to focus on chatbot. I asked this question because we have a short ice-breaking interaction. Everyone here, please scan this QR code. Or if you have already access to this slide, you can just click on this chatbot link here, over here. Maybe you can't see my cursor, but there's a just for fun chatbot. The chatbot is underlined. You can click on the link and you will see a chatbot. So I'll do it for you. Let's see what it is. So when you click on this chatbot, you will be led to this website. Okay, I saw another answer here. One of the students, I think you replied, automate reply. Yes, correct. One of the main feature of chatbot is we want to automate replies. All right. Yeah, very good example. If anyone is using iPhone here, then Siri is one of the application of chatbot. Nowadays, a lot of websites is already using chatbot. Okay, anyway, just to declare again, today we are not focusing on chatbot, but just to use a chatbot, use a simple chatbot to run a questionnaire with all of you. So if anyone has already accessed to this page, please scroll down, here. So this is a very simple chatbot. Okay, but today we are not sharing how to do this. Okay, we are just I just want you to play around with this chatbot and answer the few questions that asked by this chatbot. Okay, so for example, get started. You all can do it together with me. Okay, the first question it asks is age. I'll shut up from now and I'll give you like around 2 minutes to complete this questionnaire. The last step you are going to do is to submit this response. Okay, once you click submit, you are done. All right, just wait for my further action. So you can simply answer. You don't need to provide real answers also can. It's up to you. If, for example, I'm definitely elder than 25 years old. Okay, I'm a female. I love pizza. Why do I love pizza? You can give any interesting answers. It makes me happy. Do you love salad? Neutral. Why? Not salty enough. Okay, I'll just give some simple some random answers. All of you, please give any answers that you like to. Okay, thank you. So if there's only 4 questions: age, gender. Do you love pizza? Oh, not only 4, 6 questions. Do you love pizza? Why? Do you love salad? Why? And that's it. Okay, so once you are done, you can submit it. Okay, click submit, then you are free to turn off this page already. Okay, or you can view the result over here. I'll actually show you in the next slide as well. So you can either access the result over here, or you can go back to the slide. The next slide is exactly the result. Okay, so once you are done, I'm done already. If you want to submit another response also can, because this is just for fun. This is not real data collection. So you can just continue to submit another response, or you can just close this. So for now, I'll just go back to the slide. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to comfort you just now. No PNC data is collected, so don't worry. This is just for fun. Okay, next, let us see some interesting findings. Okay, you can click on this dashboard link if you're accessing it from your PC, or you can, if you're accessing it through your handphone, tab, or whatever device, you can just scan this QR code. It will lead you to the same page as I'm going to open. Ta-da! So this is the result. Okay. Oh, we have a few interesting charts over here. Okay. I see some participants are here. So participants, dear students, can you tell me the name of this thing? What chart it is? Do you know what chart it is? Anybody? What is the name of this chart? Not the content, Yeah, pie chart. Thank you. Okay, so these three, I'm so sorry, I think the cursor is a bit lag, the one that you see on screen. Yeah, okay, so this is the first pie chart, this is the second one at the middle, and then the right hand side we have the third one. And then as you scroll down, the left hand side, this thing, okay, these blue color bars, horizontal bars, this is called a bar chart. All right, this is a bar chart because, as the name suggests, it is constructed by a few bars, different bars. So this is a bar chart. And then at the middle section over here, and also the right section, right bottom and middle bottom section over here, we have two very interesting things consisting a lot of words, right? A lot of words over here. So this thing, we call it word cloud. It's cloud, our one cloud of word, okay, word cloud. So if anyone here is interested to find out more about word cloud after this session, you may Google what is a word cloud, because today we are not really covering these two. Okay. We are going to cover how to construct simple charts. All right. But before we go ahead, or before we proceed further, I'd like you to play around with this thing. So from the top left side here, you see a box called select gender. Select gender. Do you still remember just now? We right, during the chatbot questionnaire thing, the first question that we asked you, first or second? Yeah, I think it was the second question. The second question, it asks us to choose whether we are a male or a female. So this is from the question that you answered just now. So here, it actually includes both male and female. So all of these answers include male and female. So let us look at the first pie chart over here. This pie chart is called the gender pie chart. Okay, gender pie chart. And if you look at the color over here, the color legend over here, blue color represents male and pink represents female. What these numbers represent? So you may ask, what is this 37.5? What is this 62.5? So very simple. This is the percentage of male and female respectively from the response that you did just now. So many people has already answered this survey, right? This questionnaire, this chatbot questionnaire, many people has already answered it. Even before today also, we have already asked some people to answer this for us. Okay, some people has already answered it for us. So these results come from all the answers, including those that you all have input just now. Okay, including your answer already. So over all these answers, there are 62.5% of male. If you want to see further, you can hover your mouse over here. So when you put your mouse on the blue color there, you can see a small little box coming out, right? The tooltip box coming out. It says male 20. and then bracket 62.5%, meaning to say that there are 20 males altogether who has answered this questionnaire. 20 male. Okay, and this 20 represents 62.5%. Same thing if you hover your mouse over to the pink color pie, okay, the pink color section, you can see 12 bracket 37.5, which means that there are 12 female over here. Okay, only 12 females over here. Okay, so those females, if you want to increase the female numbers, you can ask your friends to submit. Okay. Now the first question that we the other two bar charts later. Let's go down first. Look at the age group over here. Okay, look at this age group. It says that the blue color thing is record count. Okay, record count. It counts how many persons are from each age group. It is automatically sorted descending. Sorted descending means the first bar we see here is having the most count. Okay, most of the people here come from 20 and 21 years old. Yeah, very young, so young you all. Okay, 20 to 21 years old has the most, is our major audience, major age group. And then the second age group, okay, the second age group is above 25 years old. Okay, above 25 years old. For example, I am one of them. So the response that I submitted just now falls under more than 25 years old over here. Okay, if you want to compare with, even to check the count, you can follow this grid line. Obviously, we can see that 20 to 21 years old, we have 11 people, right? 11. You can either follow the grid line over here. It's between 10 and 12, so obviously it's 11. Yeah, by the way, it's impossible to have 11.2, 10.5 is impossible because this is count, okay? Count. Number of people, you can't have half people, right? You can't have 0.5%, 0.2%. So this is, this must be a round number. Okay, so you can see 11 people falls between 20 to 21 years old. Okay, and then we have 8 people who fall between, above 25 years old. Okay, 8% over here. And then thirdly, we have 18 to 19 years old. We have 7 people from 18 to 19 years old. Maybe it's you all. And so we have also 2% each from less than 18, 23 to 25, and also 22 to 22 years old. And so this is a distribution of our age group count. Okay, our age group count. The purpose for this bar chart is we can obviously see who are our major audience. For example, today if you are selling something, if you own a shop, let's say Shopee shop, you own a Shopee shop. So when you want to post advertisements, right? Let's say you are selling, what? Okay, let's say you are selling mountain bike. Suddenly come across my mind, mountain bike. Okay, let's say you sell this thing, and then you sell it on Shopee. You want to advertise it to a lot of people. So now, would you focus on 20s, or would you focus on little kids like below 12 years old, primary school kids? Or would you focus on secondary school kids? Or would you focus on 20s, 30s? Or would you focus on 90s? Those elderly people who are 90 plus, 80 plus years old. So obviously you will focus on like 20s, 30s, or some maybe secondary school. So you may advertise to them. So we need to know who are our main audience, main targets. Then only you advertise. You don't waste your money to advertise to someone who would not likely buying your not likely buying your product, right? So you need to focus on your target groups. Okay, for example, this webinar here, from here I can know that, oh, most of you are 20 to 21 years old, so I'll try my best to provide something that's suitable for you. Okay, yeah, try my best. All right, so this is the purpose of charts. We can see things clearer. We can know what is the main target that we should focus on. Okay, and then another thing that I would like to introduce to you here is, I believe some of you have already noticed, when I click on one of the bars over here or any section from my chart, for example, just now pie chart also I can click. For example, I click on this male. Then you will see that this pie here is highlighted. Okay, this pie here, this blue color is highlighted. Wait, okay, you can see that this blue color is highlighted, and then the pink color is dimmed, right? It's blurred. So you can't see the pink color as vivid as just now already because I clicked this blue color. Okay, what does it mean? This means if you look back, after you click this blue color pie here, you scroll up a bit, and when you click back on this, when you check back on this box here, you can see that, how come there's only male here? Where's the female gone? This is something very interesting and very convenient by using this design. Later I'll introduce what's the tool. So now I'll just let you see how it functions first. So when you look at here, it only left with male, female gone already. Why? Because when you click on something, okay, when you click on any of the pie, it actually does a filter. Okay, filter. Meaning now, all these results here, you see 25%, 30%, 45%, and then here, you see got changes already. 6 from here, 6 from here, and then 5 from here. Why is that so? This is because we have already clicked on male, so it is focusing, it is filtering only on male respondents. Female is ignored here. Okay, only male. So all this result now belongs to male. Okay, you can ask me any question if you are confused. So to exit the filter, how do we exit the filter? You want to go back to just now. I want to see both male and female. I want to exit this filter. Can or not? Can. Just click back to whatever you clicked just now. Just now I click on this blue color chart, a blue color bar. Right. So now you just need to click it again. Then everything comes back. All right. So you see, male, female, all come back already. So here the readings also changes a bit. And then you see this goes back to whatever we saw just now, right? Okay, it goes back to everybody. Same thing, you can also click on female. Ta-da! Now everything goes to female. Yeah, you need to give some time for it to respond. And normally a few seconds, it will respond and then it will give you the result for all female. Okay. So if you want to exit the filter again, click back on this pink color. Ta-da! It goes back to both male and female. All right. So now when we scroll to the right at the middle section over here, do you love pizza? I can see, oh, so sad. Most of you said no. I love pizza so much. My friend all knows that I'm a pizza lover. Yeah. So here you need to compare with the legend. So pink color now means no. Okay, pink color means no now. And then green is neutral. And then we have blue color, yes. Also, least people said yes. So sad. Okay, comment about pizza. So a lot of you say tasty, delicious, spicy, and a lot more. Just okay, quite nice. It has cheese. Okay, love burger more. Oh, so this is the reason why you don't like don't like or be neutral to pizza because it says love. Some of you say love burger more, too oily. Oh, yeah, this is a good point. So from this word cloud here, we can understand why people give such response. Okay, why people give such response. This is not standardized, meaning we don't have choices for you to pick just now, right? We asked you why the questionnaire just now. Do you remember? This chatbot, it asks you why, and then you can just write anything, right? Do you remember just now? You can write anything. So this anything, okay, this anything will be presented through word cloud, and let us see why is it so. So this is the purpose of word cloud. Okay, the more response it has, for example, this tasty is so big. Why? Because a lot of people say it's tasty. So this is why it is bigger. And then if you notice, there are some very, very small, okay, a lot of small words over here, because bigger, I liked, so cute, quite nice. All these are very small because maybe there's only 1 or 2 people give this response. Okay, we can still refine this. This is just a very, very rough and introductory sharing about what word cloud is. Okay, so let's go through the third pie chart, which is, do you love salad? Oh, a lot of people say yes. Wow, so healthy, everyone. you're like salad rather than pizza, huh? Okay. Neutral a little, and then those who says no has 18.8%. Yeah, so this is the distribution. And then a comment here, I can see a very, very big healthy, another very big healthy over here. So this is some of the reasons why people like, dislike, or are being neutral to salad. Okay. So far, anyone has question? I can see that the chat box is quite empty. There's also no live chat over here. Okay, so I can just proceed. Now, after looking at this demo, would you like to do it on your own? Okay, you can't answer me now because you're forced to do it. So I will lead you to look at the Google form response. I'll give you the example later. And then this is the most interesting thing. We will use Data Studio. This is the tool that I mentioned just now. This thing is created using a tool called Data Studio, but it has actually been renamed as Google Looker Studio, if anyone is aware. So Google Looker Studio. This is the new name for Data Studio. Okay, Google Looker Studio. So later we'll use this to create our dashboard. Maybe some of you still ask, like, hey, what is a dashboard? Dashboard has many meanings in different contexts. So for here, our dashboard means a data visualization dashboard, meaning from messy data, from the data that we have collected just now. You can collect data from many places. For example, you can create questionnaire. You can use, this is the most popular one, you create questionnaire, or you, if you're involved in any automation, factory, some, I don't know what companies out there, they may also collect your data from anywhere. Okay, so let's assume that we have already got a set of data and we are going to look at the data. Okay, look at the data. And then we try to visualize them using charts like what you saw just now. Okay, so all this doesn't come automatically to become a chart. You don't say that, hey, after I collect data, then it automatically becomes a chart. No such thing. There must be some mechanism behind it. Okay, so let us see the first thing, which is called a Google form response. So this is one way of collecting data. As I mentioned just now, the questionnaire that you did just now, this chatbot thing, after you have collected data, it is all recorded inside this Google Sheet. So everyone here, please open up this Google Sheet. I named this the original Google Sheet. Okay, the original Google Sheet. So you can see something like this, very a lot of words, a lot of numbers, right? Wow, so many numbers. I can't edit. We can only view, because this is a log data set. Okay, so what we need to do here is, before that, let us look at this data first. So column A, we can see timestamp. Timestamp means the time that we submit this Google Form response. So you can see the date and also time. Okay, for example, November 22nd, last month, we have collected a lot of response. And then today, today so pity. Today is these two are yesterday. And then today, 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 responses today. So these 4 people, you all responded just now. All of us are above 25 years old, surprisingly, and 3 of us are female. Okay. Yeah, one of these was my answer. So from here, you can see that these 4 were newly added. All right. And by looking at here, if I ask you one question, if I ask you, hey, how many % of people like pizza? What do you do? How many % of people like pizza? Maybe you say, okay, wait, let me calculate. So I calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Calculate until crazy, right? Imagine today you have 100 responses, or you have 1,000 responses. It can't be that you calculate one by one, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, until 1,000. It's quite impossible to do so. Okay, or if I ask you another question, hey, can you tell me how many respondents are male, how many respondents are female? Can you do so? Yeah, of course you can do so. You calculate that one by one. Or maybe you can use some Excel formula to do so, right? Okay, but today we're going to see another method to do so, which is to visualize our result, meaning you can create something like this. Okay, you can straight away create pie charts, create bar charts, create some any other charts by one click. Okay, not a few clicks, not just one click. All right, so now actually all the instructions are written here already. But if you are here, you can just follow me. So the next thing that I need you to do is click on this file. I hope everyone has access to this Google Sheet already. So once you have access to this, click on File, and then click on New. Okay, New Spreadsheet. Or if you are familiar with Google Sheet, you can also click Make a Copy. But here I need you to, if you're not familiar, then just follow me. So we'll go to New and then select New Spreadsheet. Okay, click this. You can see that a new spreadsheet automatically appears here. A new tab appears. And just now we were here, this tab. And then when you click a new spreadsheet, it creates a new tab over here. Okay. So this is a blank one. How do we import our data here? We don't need to import, just simply copy paste. Okay. So select everything by pressing Ctrl A, or you can click on A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You click like this also can. Or you just use your keyboard. If you're using Windows computer, then just press Ctrl A. It will automatically select everything for you. Okay, and then copy. Ctrl C, or right click copy also can. Ctrl C. Go back to the new spreadsheet that you have created just now, paste it. Okay, you can paste special, paste values only. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the data that we copied from here. This thing will be available until I don't know when. So for now, it will still be available even after the workshop. So you can always come back here to play around. Okay. You can always come back here and then you can always copy whatever, if there's any new result coming out, you can always copy back. Now our spreadsheet here, please rename it. Okay, rename it. Please rename as your name dash just for fun. Or you can just name just for fun also can. So for example, I will put Yen Bin. My name Yen Bin and then dash just for fun. Once you have done rename it, just press enter. Ding. Okay, so this is the new file, new spreadsheet. Okay, I assume everyone can follow. So go back to our slide. We have done this, copy data, paste data. Okay, so if you have forgotten whatever that I shared just now, you can always come back here to look at the instructions. Okay, I've already shared this slide with you all. Okay, make sure that this is correct. So we have timestamp, age, gender, do you love pizza, do you love salad, why? Okay. And then, okay, now you can either Google search or you can click on this link here to go to Google Data Studio. For me, I will just Google search it. You can type Google Looker Studio or you can type Data Studio. Both work. Okay, both work. So click on the first non-ad result, non-advertisement result. It should say Looker Studio Overview, something like this. So click it. Dun, dun, then you will come to the Looker Studio. You can see a create button here, recent. All right, so the dashboard that we are going to create now, it is called a report in Google Looker Studio. Okay, it's called a report. So inside this report, you can create multiple charts. All right, so for now, let us select this thing. Start with a blank report. So click on this plus button. Okay, just click it. Takes a few seconds to lead us to a blank report. Okay, now the next thing that you will see is add data to report. So because we want to do a report, we want to do charts, right? But the chart data comes from where? Google needs to know, this Looker Studio needs to know where do we get our data. Just now we have already put our data in Google Sheet, right? So now we need to connect it to Google Sheet. So click on this Google Sheet. Okay, click this. You may, if this is the first time like me, if this is the first time that you are going to connect to a Google Sheet, then you will see this button ask you to authorize Google Sheet, authorize the connection to Google Sheet. So we just click this authorize button. Then it may ask you to sign in or whatever. Just follow the step and then it will bring to here. Okay, so choose your own sheet. Just now I named my sheet as Yen Bin just for fun. My Google spreadsheet as this name. So I'll just click this this name. And then it asks us to choose the worksheet. Since I have only one worksheet, so just stick to sheet 1. And then there are a few options over here. It says use first row as header. Let's look at our data just now. So our data here shows that the first row of our data is our name, column name. This is not actually data. This is the name of our data, right? For example, timestamp, age, gender, and so on. So this means that we need to use our first rows as headers. Now click add when you are done. Bottom right, there's a blue add button. Just click this. Wait for a few seconds. So there may be some pop-ups, some reminders, some recommendations, things like that. You can just close it for now. Okay. You cannot copy paste the Excel sheet. It says need access. You try again. This one. Let me copy this to you. Try again. Let me know if you still can't. You need to select all to copy and not straight away copy. Okay. You need to select to copy. Okay, back to this Google Data Studio. So it's a blank report. We are going to make something like this. Okay, this is the just for fun dashboard, the demo dashboard that I showed you just now. So we are going to mimic this thing. We try to create something exactly same like this. Okay, however, for this sharing session, I will only share with you how to make the first pie chart. The rest, please try it out on your own later at home. Okay, so let's go to this untitled report here. You will see one very weird table over here. This one we can delete. Okay, click on it anywhere and just press delete on your keyboard. Just delete it because that one is not relevant. Now, go back to our slide. Add data to report. This one is for your reference, and later you can just. Okay, you can rename your project as well because now the default name is untitled report. You can just rename it later. And now, okay, let's go to how to create a pie chart for gender. So from here, we can see two instructions, number 1 and number 2. Let's go back to here. Okay, at the menu bar here, you can see this button, add a chart. This is a drop down button. So click this drop down button. And then you'll see a lot of choices over here. Okay, add a chart. Then under there are a lot of different charts like table, time series, curve, bar, a lot lah. Some are very complicated, so maybe you learn it in the future. Okay, but today we're going to focus on some simple one first. So we go to pie, and then we select the first one. If you're interested to select the second one also, can. The second one we call it a donut chart, but the concept is the same, exactly the same as a pie chart. So it depends which one you want to choose. Both are okay, right? So I'll choose back the pie chart. So click on this pie. And then use your mouse to put it somewhere. Let's say I put it at the left middle. Okay, I put it at the left middle. Oh, it has something so weird like this. Now how do we change this pie chart to gender? Okay, now you look at this chart panel over here, the middle panel. We have a chart panel. Scroll slightly down until you see this dimension here. So this dimension, please, we need to change this because our dimension, just now we said that we want to see how many female, how many males, right? So our dimension should be gender, not timestamp. Okay, gender and not timestamp. So what we need to do now is you go to the right panel here, and you should be able to see gender here, right? And then if you're aware, the cursor is now becoming a pump, right? You can drag it over. So we use this, yeah. Hello, is there any questions? I heard some noise. If you're not asking any question, please remember to mute your phone. Thank you. Okay, so you scroll to gender, you hover over to gender, and then just drag gender and replace it onto this timestamp. Okay, you just drop it onto this timestamp. Dun -dun. That's it. Okay, drop it onto gender. So this is too small, so let's zoom it. Let's say 100%. Too big. Okay, you can adjust the size as well. So now I'm not going to show you another chart, so I'll just make it big. If you want to add other charts, then put it smaller lah. You can adjust you can zoom in, zoom out also, right? So this is the pie chart that we have. Okay, some reminders to all of you. Just now we changed the dimension over here, right? We changed it to gender. So same concept. If today you don't want to see gender, you want to create another chart showing do you love pizza. Just now we also asked you, do you love pizza? And then you answered yes, no, or neutral, right? So if you want to create another pie chart for do you love pizza, then you just do exactly like what I shared just now. Add a chart, choose a pie chart or a donut chart, and then drag do you love pizza to replace under dimension. Okay, drag this do you love pizza to dimension over here. That's it. Okay. Now another thing that I need you to ensure is this metric here. Metric means the value, the calculation, or not, shouldn't be calculation, the value that you want to present over here. Okay, what is a percentage? Percentage is actually counting, right? I want to count how many person over here, how many male here, how many female here, then only I can get the percentage, right? Okay, so percentage is also considered under count. So make sure here under the metrics you put record count, okay, because you want to know how many male, how many female. Okay, so that's it. And then sort is not too relevant for now, but if any one of you here, if you want to further try out creating a bar chart, then you can take a look at sort here. Sorting, you want to sort it descending. Descending means the bar with most people comes first, and like this one. This one is sorted descending. Okay, most people within 20 to 21 years old, it is put at the first, and then the least one is put at the bottom. And this is called descending. Normally descending is what we do lah. Okay, so that's it. And then what else? Okay, now you may ask me, hey, I don't like this color. Can I change this color or not? Of course can. So to change color, you need to go to, again, you need to click on this chart if you want to do anything. Okay, you need to click on it first. Otherwise, it can't recognize. If you click elsewhere, if you click at the blank space over here, then it just says, let's get started. It won't lead you to anything because it doesn't know which to change. So let's say if you want to change anything regarding to this chart, then you need to select this chart. Make sure that it's selected. How do we know it's selected? It is bounded by this blue color square and box here. So this means that it has already been selected. I don't like blue color and the green color. I want to change it back to something like blue and pink, maybe. Or if you have any other preferred color, you just go ahead. So we go to style. Okay, we click on style. And then dimension value. Wait, let's see what we can change over here. Okay, we have 2 slices pie chart. And then, okay, you can put, let us select how many slices over here. You can select more than 2 lah, but don't select less than 2. Okay, don't select less than 2. You can select 6, 7 also can. Just make sure that since I'm clear that there's only 2 colors over here, so I just put 2. And then colored by single. Okay, yeah, we select slice order over here, colored by slice order. So you can see that the first one is blue color. So obviously this represents the male here, okay, because it's more than female, so it shows blue color first. And then the second color, it shows I'm not sure what color is this. Maybe it's something like green. So if you want to change this color, just click on it and then select whichever color that you want. Let's say I select let's say purple lah. Purple pink. Okay. And then yeah, so you wait for a few seconds, it will automatically change. Okay. And then you can add other things like, let's play around with this one. This one I won't go too deep into it. You can just play around. For example, label. What do you want to label? You want to label percentage, or do you want to label other things? You can go ahead. Okay, color, label color, font size. So let's say font size, I want it to be big. So I'll choose something bigger. For example, 28 pixels is bigger than just now, right? So it's clearer. Okay, so you can change font size over here. Legend also, you can change font size. Let's say I want it to be exactly the same size, male, female. This will clearer. Yeah, you can also change the position of your legend as well. For example, you put it at the bottom. Hey, where is it? Hey. Why my legend gone? Yeah. Okay, maybe you play around with this one. How come? This actually means to be labeled at the bottom. This one labeled at the top, but I'm not sure why it's not showing now. Maybe need to wait for some time lah. Okay, so this one I hope that everyone can play around further after this sharing session. Okay, there are some other things as well, like background border. If you want, you can add chart header. Okay, you can add as well. There are other elements as well. For example, in this slide also, we say that we can add text box. Okay, show you one last thing. For example, you can add a text box by clicking on this text button. Then you just put it anywhere and then write gender. It's a bit small, so let me make it gender. Let me make it bigger by okay, you can adjust the text over here. Let's make it 30 pixel. Even bigger also can 40 pixel. Put it at the middle. Okay, so you can adjust this and then you can put over here. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the gender bar chart. Gender pie chart. Okay. So far, is it so good? Is it okay? So in the slide here, we have another demo, which is to add another pie chart for Do You Love Pizza? This one, I need you to try it out on your own after this session. Okay, it's exactly the same as just now. And you can also try to add other things like bar chart. You just change. If you want to add bar chart, then from chart here, you just need to change to bar chart instead of pie just now. Okay. Let's see what else. So if you need me to give some opinion about how to create a dashboard, my first idea is make it as simple as possible. Okay, as simple as possible. Don't make too many fancy thing. Don't have too many colors. Okay, everything, make it simple. The simpler the better. And then the other thing is you can make it consistent. For example, here male is blue color, female is pink color, right? Then if you create another chat, let's say do you love pizza? We have yes, no, and neutral, right? So the do you love pizza? Let's avoid using these two colors. You can use any other colors. For yes, maybe you can put green color. For no, maybe you put red color. And then for neutral, maybe you can put blue, light blue color, something like that. Okay, make it different from male and female. So color consistency is also something quite important. And then the other thing is design. So every person has different sense of design. So you can imagine some dashboard, and then you can arrange it in your own way. So you can just design using your own way. Okay, so this is dashboard. Lastly, really last already. Oops, I think I've taken up the Q&A time. So lastly, if you wish to share this with your friends and family, other people, you can just click on this share button over here. Okay, and then instead of restricted, you can change to unlisted or public. Okay, unlisted means when you give people the link, then they can see. If you don't give link, they are not able to find it. Okay, so this is unlisted. Or if you straight away want to share it to the public, you can just put public lah. So after, for example, let's say I put public over here. Okay, and then you can copy link first, then you save it. Okay, I copy link and then I save it. So when I give this link to all of you, so let's say I share this link over here. Dun -dun. Now everyone can access my dashboard. You will see exactly the same thing over here. Okay, it's just a simple one. All right, so that's the end of my sharing session today. I believe I should spare some time for Q&A. So if you have any questions, feel free to turn on your mic and ask me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Tan, for the interesting sharing. So right now we open up for the Q&A section. Do you have any question to ask? Please feel free to type your question in the chat box. Thank you. So any question from the floor? Maybe just one question from me. So Dr. Tan,
yeah.
So if we have such a data, so how can it help us to, let's say, improve our, let's say, business or work?
This example actually I mentioned a bit just now. So to further elaborate it, we can make decision based on so generally the most insights that we can get is to make decision out of our visualization. For example, based on this chart itself, I can see that my male audience is more than female, even though it's just a very slight difference. But let's say it's a huge difference. Yeah, I see that most of my audiences are male. So from here, I would know the next step. What can I target? Let's say I am selling. Let's say I'm selling something. Then I see that male customer are a lot more than female. So next time I know how to target already. I'll target male customer. These are my targets. So I'll focus more on what male like. What do I need to sell to all these males and so on. So this is one of the examples. Just one of the examples how I make my decision on that. So another thing is we can also try to diagnose what happens here. If you expect your business to be quite equal. So for example, in this workshop, I expect my male and female to be quite equal, which it shows here. This is actually quite equal already, 42.9 versus 57.1. This is quite equal. So there's nothing for me to diagnose also. But if let's say today my male audience are a lot, but my female audience only a little, so I know that there must be something wrong in my maybe my promotion or my how do you say that? But yeah, when I do my advertising, there must be something wrong because it targeted more on male rather than targeted on female. So I need to go back to look at my whole advertising process to see what happens now. Why most audiences are male? Why female so little? So I need to find, is there any problems over there? Then we'll tackle the problem. So this is another example on how we can improve our business using visualizations. I hope I answers this question. Feel free to add on also other experts in this call. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for the answer. So there's one more question from me. So people right now are talking about artificial intelligence. So after we obtaining all the data, how are we going to apply this on the artificial intelligence? Will they help us in the decision making?
Wow, if talking about AI, then I believe this is a far more this is a deeper, this is a more longer process questions already, and because data visualization is just one of the process in this whole AI pipeline. So let me summarize when do we do data visualization. So normally when we get data, right, after cleaning all the data, the thing that I will proceed is visualization. So this is the first place where I do my data visualization, because this data visualization is we want to see what happens within our data. So this is the first thing. So from here we can do diagnosis, we can do we can look at the overview, and then we can plan our further actions so that our data analytics can proceed. And then after that, after we do all these data analytics and so on, we can also use data visualization to present our findings, our decision, and things like that. So I'm not sure whether I answer exactly to AI problem, but AI to me is a really vast thing lah. So it's quite far from data visualization yet. Yeah. So maybe anyone can just add on. Feel free to.
So I think due to the time constraint, we also cannot ask the next question already. Okay, there's one question from the ground. Let's see. Can Dr. Tan explain the differences between the BigQuery and custom query in the Data Studio?
BigQuery and custom query. I'm so sorry, I'm not sure about custom query, but BigQuery is that we can use if you have a database stored in Google Cloud, for example, Firebase or any other databases in Google Cloud, then you can use BigQuery to pull the data out from those databases to Google Data Studio. The language is exactly SQL language. Yeah, this is what BigQuery can do, but I'm not so sure with custom query. I need to find more information about this. Sorry, custom query. Okay, hopefully, yeah, we can further communicate. Yeah, thanks.
I think we can further discuss about it.
Yes, sure. Jason,
right.
You can contact me. Okay.
Okay, so I think due to the time constraint, we have to end the Q&A section right now. So before we end the section, we would like to take a group photo with everyone in this webinar. Please turn on your camera and stand by for the group photo section. Everyone, please turn on your camera to take a group photo.
I think I should.
Yeah, maybe you should stop sharing the screen. Thank you.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, so it seems that everyone feels shy to turn on the webcam. All right, so it's okay. Yeah, maybe we can take pictures. Okay, let's wait for a while. Let's turn on the webcam. Thank you, everyone, for the help. So I count 3 times, then we take a picture together. Okay, everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, and smile. Okay, so let's take another freestyle one again. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and smile. Okay, thank you everyone for the participation today. So Dr. Tan Yin Ping, is there anything you would like to cover before we wrap up the section?
Not really. Keep in touch.
All right.
You can
good.
add my LinkedIn at the first page of your slide.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Dr. Tan, for the insightful webinar. Dear participants, please join our next section for today. So thank you and stay safe. We'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.